Transform your organization's remote work experience with Beam's cutting-edge technology, ensuring effortless and secure connections for your team. Beam's connection activates automatically, ensuring users are securely connected without any user action. This always-on connection maintains corporate security policies at all times, establishing a secure tunnel from your device to your corporate network and ensuring all data is protected. Beam uses lightweight hypervisor technology to virtualize the network interface and operating system into distinct service VMs. This architecture gives the service VM complete control over the network connection, making sure all data is securely managed from start to finish. Beam ensures professionals across various industries, like energy, healthcare, finance, and government, can securely access networks from any environment, enhancing productivity and security. Beam installs effortlessly like any other Windows software. No need to restage. Just install and configure your remote network access. Discover more about Beam and how it can secure your organization by visiting us online.